This tiny arcade-style boxing game is more fun than it has any right to be. Just pull back your finger and flick the little punch pad, watch the lights flash and the score jump like you're in your own mini tournament. It's part stress relief, part silly fun, and weirdly addictive once you get into it. Great for passing the time at your desk, competing with friends, or just giving your fingers something to do besides scrolling. It's playful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to get a few laughs. Start your day with a laugh, or at least a double take. This Poop Emoji mug adds humor to your coffee with its cheeky design and smiling face, perfect as a gag gift or desk accessory. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. Looking for a cheeky gift that's both funny and wearable? This playful underwear adds a lighthearted twist to your surprise. Perfect for couples who love to laugh, keep things fun, and enjoy sharing inside jokes together. It's a hilarious yet affectionate way to say, "I thought of you," and couldn't resist. Looking for a mug that's as hilarious as it is unique? This squatting, toilet-shaped ceramic mug is the ultimate conversation starter. With its playful design and surprisingly comfortable handle, it's perfect for serving coffee, tea, or even a bold smoothie. Whether you're gifting a friend or shocking your coworkers, this mug guarantees laughs with every sip. If your room needs a little warmth and a bit of personality, this lazy duck might be exactly what's missing. Shaped like it gave up in the most adorable way, this soft-touch night lamp gives off a warm, calming glow, perfect for winding down. Tap to turn it on, tap again to adjust the brightness. It's simple, playful, and oddly comforting. The squishy silicone body adds to the charm, making it ideal for bedtime, reading, or just setting a cozy mood. Whether it's for your nightstand or a fun little gift, this duck adds light and a smile wherever it goes.